Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel Healthy Physio. I am Dr. Divya. Today we will discuss about the trigger finger. What is trigger finger and what are the cause of trigger finger and what are the treatment part. I will tell you everything about this condition friends. Before going ahead, I would request you please subscribe my YouTube channel as well as press bell icon so that you can get the notification of upcoming videos. So I start my video. Trigger finger. What is trigger finger? Trigger finger is a condition in which the tendon of our affected finger get inflamed. In this condition, your finger can stuck in a bend position like this friends. Your finger can stuck in this position, bend position. Now what are the cause? There are no specific cause, but there are some cause. First cause is the patient who have history of diabetes, arthritis, especially the rheumatoid arthritis at higher risk. The pregnant women are also develop this condition. Some job professions like musician, carpentry, computer workers are also have at higher risk. Now, what are the symptoms? The symptoms of this condition may include pain, stiffness, tenderness at the affected finger. It mostly affects the ring finger, but it can affect any of the finger. Now, if it happens in a thumb, then it will known as triggered thumb. Sometimes you can feel a lump or a bump, or you can say nodule. At this point friends, see, I mark this point. Sometimes you feel a lump or a nodule at this point, and this is tender point. Now, what are the treatment part? The treatment of trigger finger may includes rest, icing. You can do the gentle ice massage over this area. See friends, you can do gentle massage 10 to 15 minutes at this area. Now, splinting. Splints are the device which help to keep your finger in a normal position. Now, the exercise part. There are some specific exercise. I teach you everything friends. There are some simple way to do these exercise. First exercise is finger extensor stretch. How can we do? We put our palm on a flat surface like this. We put our palm on a flat surface. We can use a table or a wall. Now we use our opposite hand and we lift our affected finger as far as possible without straining your hand and your finger. See friends, like this. We lift our affected finger. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Then go back down and repeat again. Lift your finger as far as possible and hold again 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times at a single set and twice a day. Next exercise is making an O shape. This is very simple exercise. We bring our affected finger. See friends, this is our affected finger. We bring our affected finger close to our thumb. See friends, like this, and make an O shape. It may be the ring finger and it may be the other finger. Which finger you are affected? Hold this position. See friends, hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Then release. Again we repeat. See friends, like this. Again we make an O shape and open your finger again. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times in a single set and twice a day. Next exercise is elastic band exercise. For this, we put an elastic band into our finger, around your finger. See friends, like this. We put an elastic band. Now, spread your finger as far as possible. See friends, like this. So that your band becomes tight and you feel some amount of stretch at your fingers, at your thumb. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds and close again. Again we repeat. Spread your finger as far as possible. Again we close to our fingers. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times in a single set and twice a day. Next exercise is ball exercise. We took a ball into our palm. Now squeeze this ball like this and release. Squeeze and release. Next exercise is tendon gliding exercise. There are some steps of this exercise. See friends, first step is stretch your hand like this. Now make a duck shape like this. Open, close, open, close. Repeat this movement 10 times. Next step is make a hook fist. How can we do? We touch our tip of your finger touch to the top of your palm. See friends, like this. This is a hook fist. See, this is hook fist. Hold this position 2 to 3 seconds. Again open, repeat, open, repeat. 10 to 15 times repeat this movement, this step. Next step is make a full fist. How can we do? Your tip of your fingers touch to the middle of your palm. Like this friend. This is a full fist. See, this is full fist. Hold this position 2 to 3 seconds. Open again. Make a full fist. Open again. Make a full fist. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Next step is make a flat fist. How can we do? We make fist like this. See friends, this is a flat fist. See, this is flat fist. Tip of your finger touch to the bottom of your palm. This is a tendon gliding exercise. Next exercise is spreading your fingers. How can we do? We make a fist like this. Open your finger, make a fist. Open your finger, make a fist. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times and more than 10 to 15 times. When you are free, you can do these all exercise every time, every 1.5 hours. Next exercise is scrunching or squeezing a towel. For this, take a towel or a napkin into your palm like this. Now, your affected hand use squeeze or scrunch the towel. Make a tight fist, apply some pressure. Again, release. Again, squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Repeat this exercise 10 to 15 times at a single set and twice a day. Next exercise is stretching your fingers, your wrist like this. See friends, hold for 5 seconds, release. Again, hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. So friends, these are some simple exercise. I hope you like my video and this information is sufficient and helpful for you. So friends, see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.